Hey guys, so today I am going to be testing this watercolor brush pen set from Stargoods. So this is what it looks like from the front and the back. There's two rows of watercolor brush pens, and then there is a water brush pen to do some blending. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do some swatches. I cut this watercolor paper from Canson down to the size of this kit so that I can tape it right to the back of this and use it as a reference for what the colors would look like on paper. So first we'll do swatches and then we'll do some watercolor florals to see how it looks. Okay, so we're going to open this up. I'm just going to take everything out like this. So as you can see that there's two sets of these, 12 on the top set and 13 on the bottom set. So what's apparent from the packaging is that this watercolor brush set is ideal for mindfulness coloring. So it looks like they promote mindfulness. There's even a meditation audio that they link to as part of their packaging. So I really like that. Okay, these aren't labeled as is. I just kind of put them in the order that they are in the pans. In the second pan, these oranges looked so similar that I ended up skipping one by accident. So I switched the place of that one. So here's what I'm gonna do, just so that this doesn't happen in the future, is I'm gonna number these and also number the bottoms of the pens. So something I learned after my first swatch that I just did again was that if you color, for example, if you only color half of this box, it won't carry the color over into the rest of the box. So you're gonna have to color the rest of them and it blends it out. So this is more of a blending brush. I don't know how far it'll take the watercolor, but if the watercolor is there, it can smooth it out like this. Okay, let's try making something with it. Okay, I have my Canson watercolor paper. Let's try making some flowers, I guess. Let's try that. So this was actually really fun to make. I just used these brush pens to put the base of the flower down, and then I used the blending brush to kind of blend out the edges. I wish there were numbers or names corresponding to each of the colors because it got kind of confusing. A lot of the colors, especially the oranges, look kind of similar on the bottom, so I wish it came with some sort of numbering system so I knew which color that I'm reaching for. Also keep in mind that if you are using it for illustration, let's say, make sure that you are using this to spread the colors that are already there. If you use a lot of water at once, what it'll do is push the color away. And so you never want to use too much water. You want to actually blot this in between, which is what I've been doing throughout the entire video. But yeah, this is a really fun set to try out, especially if you are into adult coloring books. It's perfect for that. The brush tip is so small that it can get in those little tiny spaces when you are doing adult coloring books. I do have a discount code that I will put down in the description. It's Inkarella20, and you can go ahead and use that to get 20% off when you purchase this on Amazon. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today. To check out more of my stuff, you can visit my Instagram at InkarellaCards and check out my website www.inkarella.com/learn.